All right, so glad to have you around. I'm going to show you some things that I've learned along the way, and it will help you with window units and the issues that they can have. They can cause a lot of damage. Let me show you. Now, this air conditioner down here failed. So the idea was, well, we'll buy $300-400 air conditioner and put it in the window, which they did. Got some foam there to seal it up instead of using the accordion doors that probably came with a brand new air conditioner. And then when they first did it, to support it so it wouldn't pull out the window, they had a buildup of these boards. Only thing is, it was even a lot higher. Of course, you need to have a downhill to the back tilt so that water will not run inside. But guess what? They had it too high up and it ran inside. So the guy told her he can't do anything about it today. He'll have to come back. He never came back. So they sent another guy out here. He messed around with it, and it still was having an issue, but it was better. By that time, it done ruined the floor. Water had been running down the front of the air conditioner and getting down the wall and onto the floor, rotted out a whole great big section of area floor. We'll find out with another video on that. Now, here is another issue. They did that, and it started still running water, but it was running inside the wall. So if you come over here, this is the drain for all your air conditioners. Quite often they're at the end of the housing that it slides into. It runs out of here into there. Now, when we got here, we took a stick and unplugged it because that was plugged up. And it was coming out here. It was going. If you see the stain right here, it was running up inside the wall, running down the wall, hitting. And then this house, all your mobile homes are built with the frame first, the floor joist second, then the plywood after that, then linoleum after that, then the walls. So it runs down the wall, hits the linoleum, runs along until it finds a screw where it holds that wall to that floor, and it's soaked into the floor, rotted out the floor. So even though they had it tilted back, this drain was not unplugged. So what I'm leaving with you is, first of all, make sure your air conditioner is tilted back. If you need to, make sure it's supported so it doesn't pull out your window. Make sure that it's leaning back, and then every month or two, maybe twice a summer, come out here and check that and hold things up inside that drain so you make sure you keep on draining. It's not a big deal to do. Let me explain though. Everything, no exception, requires maintenance. Your body, your relationship with whoever you're with, your house, your car, you have to put gas in. Everything requires maintenance. Your air conditioner has a filter that has to be changed, and you should check that drain. Make sure it's draining where you want it to drain. Otherwise, you could cause yourself a lot of damage, sort of like divorces come from lack of maintenance or proper treatment. This is damage to a house. So in your mind, keep in mind, you need to change your filter, and you need to make sure you're draining, even on a window unit.